Hazrat Abu Sayyid radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam observed itikaf in the middle 10 days of Ramadan, during which he sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to seek the valuable night before he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was granted its knowledge. When the middle 10 days had completed, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed orders to take down the tent. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam was then notified that the valuable night is in the last 10 nights. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon passed orders to put up the tent. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then came to the companions and said, I came in order to intimate you of the valuable night. Then two men came fighting accompanied with the Satan. I then forget it. Now seek this night on the 9th, 7th, and 5th night of the last 10 nights of Ramadan. The reporter says that he said, O Abu Sayyid, you know this counting better than we people. He said, yes, we deserve this counting more than you. The reporter says that he said, what do 9th, 7th, and 5th means? He said the 9th means when the 21st night goes away and 22nd comes. 7th means the night which comes after the passage of 23rd night, and the 5th means the night which comes after the passage of 25th night. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2766.